Can these go in the baler?
They can. They're paper.
Okay, I could take this to the IGA. You don't mind. Push the button again.
You can.
Okay. There one more box before I do it. Before I started.
I think that's it.
Let's see.
Yep, that's full.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Watch out. Can you back up a little bit, please?
Sure. Woo. Nope, not that way.
Ready? Is it good?
Good.
We're recycling.
You're faster than some people that work here.
Yeah. I'm gonna own a baler company one day.
Nice.
When I get my baler here, the small baler,